In this video, I will show you how to make money with Clickbank. So there will be two parts in this video. In the first part, I will show you what is Clickbank and how to choose the product or the offer that you will promote. And in the second part, I will talk about how to promote the product with no website and of course with free traffic, so you don't need to pay for any traffic. So now let's start with the first part. What is Clickbank and how to choose the product? So this is Clickbank, as you can see. And by the way, Clickbank is one of the best websites when it comes to affiliate marketing. And it's worldwide. So wherever you are from, you will be able to sign up and use this website to make money. So all you have to do now is create an account, and you can do that by clicking here on the sign up button. And of course, I'm not going to waste your time by showing you how, because the sign up process is very easy. So now after you sign up, all you have to do is just go to your dashboard and click on the marketplace. So this is the marketplace, and here where you will find a lot of categories that you can choose from, as you can see. So we have here arts and entertainment, computer and internet, education, games, languages and self-help, and also sports. So you get the idea. There is a lot of choices that you can choose from. So just take your time and choose one of these categories. So for this tutorial, I will go with home and garden. So I will click on it. And as you can see, these are all the products that you can promote and make money from. But before you choose any of the products, there is something that you need to do, and that is to sort the results by gravity. So what is gravity? Gravity means that you will make sure that you are only promoting the best products in the category. And it's also selling very well, because you don't want to promote a product that is not selling very well and you end up wasting your time and energy on promoting it. So that's why it's very important that you sort results by gravity. So this one here is the product that I will promote. But of course you can choose any other product. Just remember to choose a product with a gravity above 10%. And this number here represents how much you will get paid after every sale or conversion you generate. As you can see, for this product, you can make $31 or almost $32 for every sale. And now to see the products page, you can just click here. As you can see, this is the products page that you will promote. So this is what I meant at the beginning of this video when I said you don't need to create a website, because those guys have already done the hard work for you. As you can see, this is a well done page with a lot of information about the product and also some reviews from the customers. So after seeing the products page, we have also here the affiliate page for this product that you can go to and see all the information that will help you to promote the product. For example, you will find images, videos, and articles. And by the way, you will find the products page and affiliate page on every product you choose. So all you have to do now is click on promote. After that, just type in your nickname or username and click on generate hop links. So as you can see, this is your personal affiliate link that you need to promote. So now just click here to copy it. There is one more thing that we need to do, and that is to shorten this link. To do that, just go to bit.ly.com and go to this box here so you can paste the link that you copied before, like this, as you can see, and now click on shorten. And now it looks good. So just copy this link again. So this is your link that you need to share with people, and whenever someone buys from your unique link, you will get a commission. So now after we covered the first part and you know what is Clickbank and how to choose a product from it, now we move on to the second part of this video where I will talk about how to promote the product that you choose. And to do that, we're going to use YouTube. And of course, there are other ways to promote the product, like Facebook or Instagram, and also Pinterest. But for this tutorial, I will focus on YouTube. And to be honest with you, YouTube is the best way to promote the product and get a lot of customers. So that's what we will use here. So the idea here is to create a YouTube channel dedicated only to the niche or product you already choose. For example, as you already saw, I choose a training dog product. So I need to create a channel about dog videos. So now I want you to go and create a YouTube channel about the product you choose. So now you may be wondering where I will find those videos that I will upload to my channel. Don't worry, I will show you how. So now just go to YouTube and search for the niche or keyword you want to create videos about. For example, I will search for dog training. And now here is the trick. You need to click here on filters and then click on Creative Commons. So what are Creative Commons? Creative Commons means that we have the right to reuse and re-upload all of these videos. So now all you have to do is take your time and choose the best videos here. And then download them, and I will show you how to edit them in a very easy way. because I don't want you to just go and download the video and upload it as it is. Even if YouTube telling us that we have the right to reuse them, we should not upload them as they are. That's why I highly suggest that you edit them before you upload them. And don't worry, we are not gonna do something so difficult. All that you will do is take, for example, 2 minutes from every video and make a video of these cuts. But before I show you that, if you don't know how to download the video, all you have to do is copy the link of the video like this and go to Google and search for download YouTube video. As you can see, there is a lot of websites that you can choose from. For example, I will click on the first one and now just paste the link and click on download button, and that's it. So now after you downloaded the videos, now we need to edit them. And to do that, we're going to use this website called canva.com. So all you have to do is create an account, and of course you can use it for free. So now after you signed up, just search for YouTube video, and after that click on create a blank YouTube video. And now as you can see, we can start creating our video. Now go to uploads and then videos and click on upload media. So you can upload all the videos you already downloaded. So now just wait until the videos are uploaded into Canva. So as you can see, those are the videos that I uploaded. But of course you will upload more than 2. For example, you can upload between 5 or 10 videos. So to edit this video, all you have to do is click on it and it will be added to the first scene or page. So now I'm gonna choose 2 minutes from this video. And to do that, just go to Caesar icon and click on it. And now just choose the part you want to keep. As you can see, I will choose 2 minutes. And as you can see, here are the exact seconds or minutes you are selecting. And then just click on done. And now to add another video, we have to go down here and create another page. As you can see, now we have a new page where we will add the second video to edit it. So just click on the second video and it will be added to the second page, as you can see. And now click on the Caesar icon and I will choose 2 minutes, and after that just click on done. And now I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the video sound and add any sound you want. And to do that, just click on the video and go to the sound icon and click on it and just decrease the volume. So to add the sound, just go to this YouTube channel and choose any sound you like. So to download it, just copy the link of the video and go to Google and search for download YouTube MP3 and choose any of these websites. After that, just paste the link and click on convert. And now just click on download. Now go back to Canva and go to uploads and then audio and click on upload media and choose the sound you just downloaded. And now just click on it and it will be added to your video. But for these videos, I am gonna just use the original audio. So as you can see, I just created a 4 minutes video in a very simple and easy way. So anyone with no editing skills can do this. So now all we have to do is add a call to action, so we can tell the people who will watch our video to go check out our product. So to do that, we need to go to the last 2 minutes of the video. So now we need to add a rectangle shape so we can add text on it. And to do that, just go to elements and click on this rectangle shape one click. As you can see, it will be added to the video, and now just resize it like this. I think that looks good. Now to change the color, just go and click here and choose any color you want. I will go with blue. And now we add another one in the bottom. So again, click on the rectangle shape and resize it again like this. So now we need to add the text. To do that, just go and click on text and then click on add a heading. As you can see, now I'm gonna write something here. Of course, it's something related to the product you choose. For example, I will write unlock your dog's natural intelligence. And I will just decrease the font size. To do that, just click here and start decreasing it. Now I'm just gonna place it here, as you can see. And to change text color, just go here and select color you want. I'm gonna choose white. And now I will add another text. To do that, go and click on text and add a heading. And I will write link in description. I will decrease the font size again like this, and I will place it here. So in this way, we make sure that people, when they will watch our video, they will see this call to action, so they can go to the description and click on our link. And if they decide to make a purchase, you will make money on that sale. So now all you have to do is go here and click on download and download the video. So that's all, guys. Now just create as many videos as you can and upload them to your YouTube channel. And also you can go and share the videos on social media so you can get more views. So that's all what I have for you guys in this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button on this video, because it really helps out my channel and also encourages me to upload more videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.